I'm Michelle, and this is my dog. His name is Joe. He's sleeping right now. And this video is about doggy nap time. I'm gonna disturb him while he's sleeping. Let's see what I can do. He's awake. He's awake. Oh, it's okay, boy. You can. Good boy. Good boy. He's almost awake. He's almost awake. Sorry. Continue your nap, please. There you go. Can you see this? Oh my god. Oh. You're so cute, boy. He's my angel. He's truly my angel. Let's see. Look. See. Oh my gosh. Heavenly, heavenly, heavenly. Oh, she is so gorgeous. Joe. Joe. He's still asleep and look at his teeth. I'm a Dracula. No, you're not. You're my angel. Yeah, you are. Again. I'm gonna beat you at night. And he's still asleep. That's awesome. Great. Record. Oh, he's so cute. Look at him. Oh my god, he's awake. And he's not. Dream on. I think this is all for. Oh my god, he's awake again. Okay, I think this is all about this video. I know you're kind of bored with this video, but this is what I do. I love dogs. And thank you for watching. See you next week.